Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme durability and expedition luxury with the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 Armored Camper. Engineered for those who demand ultimate protection, off-road capability, and long-range comfort, this armored camper redefines what it means to travel without limits. Step inside and you'll find a fortified yet refined living space designed for extended off-grid travel. The cabin features reinforced composite walls with ballistic protection, paired with high-quality leather seating, soft touch surfaces, and durable aluminum accents. The main living area includes a wall-mounted smart display, an integrated communication system, and insulated windows designed to reduce noise and heat while maintaining security. The compact but efficient kitchen is equipped with heavy-duty appliances, including an induction cooktop, military-grade refrigerator, and reinforced storage compartments. The sleeping area offers a full-size armored bed platform with ergonomic cushioning, while the sealed bathroom includes reinforced fixtures, a pressurized shower system, and onboard water filtration, ensuring comfort and safety wherever the journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 Armored Camper is built with purpose and presence. Based on the legendary F-550 chassis, it features a true 6x6 drivetrain with 3 locking axles for unmatched traction across sand, snow, mud, and rocky terrain. The armored body panels are constructed from high-strength steel and composite materials, providing enhanced protection without compromising mobility. The exterior finish is a matte tactical coating designed to resist scratches, corrosion, and harsh environments. Heavy-duty off-road tires, reinforced bumpers, skid plates, and an integrated winch system further enhance its go-anywhere capability. A roof-mounted solar array and external utility mounts make this camper ready for extreme expeditions, while every detail emphasizes strength, durability, and reliability. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 Armored Camper delivers uncompromising power. It's powered by a turbocharged 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 diesel engine, delivering massive torque for hauling armor, equipment, and supplies with ease. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and upgraded suspension system, this camper offers controlled handling even under extreme loads. The advanced 4-wheel and 6-wheel drive management system allows seamless transitions between terrains, while reinforced brakes ensure confident stopping power. Advanced driver assist features, including terrain monitoring cameras and proximity sensors, help navigate tight trails and urban environments alike. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 Armored Camper is a specialized high-security vehicle, and its pricing reflects that exclusivity. With a starting price of around $850,000, it's designed for professionals, adventurers, and clients who require maximum protection and off-road capability. The cost includes the armored construction, custom 6x6 drivetrain conversion, advanced systems, and bespoke interior build. To sum up, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 Armored Camper is the ultimate fusion of strength, security, and expedition-ready luxury. Whether you're crossing hostile terrain or preparing for long-range overland travel, this armored camper is built to handle it all. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.